A man in his early 80s has become the second person in UK to die after testing positive for coronavirus. Milton Keynes Hospital said the man who had underlying health condition tested positive for the virus and died shortly after on Thursday. The hospital has isolated any patient or staff who were in contact with him. The UK's first death linked to the virus was confirmed on Thursday when a woman in her 70s, also with underlying health issues, died in hospital. As well as the two deaths in the UK, a British man died from the virus last month in Japan after being infected on the Diamond Princess cruise ship. It comes as the number of confirmed cases in the UK rose to 164, the biggest increase in a single day so far. Milton Keynes Hospital said its appointment services were running normally. The UK government chief medical advisor Professor Chris Whitty said work was underway to trace people who the man was in contact with before he died. Meanwhile, 21 people, including 19 crew members and 2 passengers, have tested positive for coronavirus on the cruise ship that was barred from docking in San Francisco, California. More than 140 British nationals, many of whom are elderly and concerned about their medicine supply, are among those stranded on the Grand Princess ship over the outbreak. The nationalities of those who have tested positive has not yet been revealed. US Vice President Mike Pence said all 3,500 passengers and crew will now be tested for the virus. In the Women's Six Nations rugby match between Scotland and France in Glasgow on Saturday has all been postponed after a Scottish player contracted the virus. She is being treated and is doing well, the team's medical officer said, while 7 of the members of the squad and management are in self-isolation. According to the latest Department of Health figures, on Friday, 20,338 people had been tested. The latest number of confirmed cases comprises 147 cases in England, 11 in Scotland, 3 in Northern Ireland and 2 in Wales. On Friday night, a fourth person in Northern Ireland was diagnosed with the virus. Of the cases in England, there are 29 in London, 24 in South East, 22 in South West, 21 in North West, 13 in the North East Yorkshire, 12 in the Midlands, 11 in the east of England, 15 not yet confirmed.